Hey there, my name's Alex, and in this tablet tutorial, we'll be going over logging in. Generally speaking, your fleet admin, your fleet manager, your driver manager, whatever that person is called, they will have your login credentials as they more than likely set up the account. Now, that being said, we do have defaults that a majority of our fleets do use. And the defaults are, it's your first letter of your first name and the first three letters of the last name. So as you can see, the tablet on your screen next to me, let's log in to my account. So my name's Alex, like I said, and so that would be the letter A, and my last name is Jermenko, so that would be CHU. And that is used for both your username and your password. These are defaults that we set, and companies can customize them. They can configure them to whatever that works best. And so we give that option, but many fleets just use the default. So try out the defaults. If you're ever having any login issues, try out the defaults. Otherwise, reach out to your fleet administrator. And as you can see, I was able to log in, no problem. Thank you.